Hey viewers, welcome back. It's a little about 4 degrees, probably feels like 0 here in Southern Ontario, Zone 6B. I'm Curtis Hanlon, your host. Today I'm going to be making some biochar. I have some burn piles I need to get going, try to get it going while the wind is actually pretty much dead right now. And we're going to get back to that middle tree line here, and we're going to clear out some of these stumps because I have some plans for that in the springtime. I have some fruit trees coming on the front side. On the back side, I also want to clear out so that I can put in some blackberries. I'm going to put a whole row of blackberries in the back to create that that wind barrier to help bring it back. Like I said, right now we're just going to go cut the stumps down to the ground and maybe even start a fire back there. But we have some other piles we want to burn first. So come on, let's go take a look at what I'm doing, and we can talk as we go. All right, so hopefully it just kind of burns a little bit slow here because you don't want it to go too fast because my trees are surrounding it. I used a little gasoline to start her up because I'm impatient, and I'm sure a lot of you are as well. When you want to get something done, you just want to get her done. So this thing is not probably going to burn all the way down. It's going to create a bunch of gaps in there, and then it's going to be in the way, so it just won't it won't drop down into the coals. But we're going to do the best we can. We're going to put this here. We got some stuff over here we can burn, so we're going to clean this up, and then we're heading over here to the back tree line right here in the center. You can see right here. Oh, that's a fun focus there. So yeah, right up in here, that's where we're going to go. So you can see there's a lot of little stumps over there, and we're going to get this fire going, and then we're going to head over there. So that didn't take much time at all. A little bit more burn, but there's a log in there too, so I don't want to push all of this stuff over to this side. But yeah, at least it's one more thing off the list. I got another pile over here. I'm not sure, but yeah, I think that's it for the burn piles. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep going. So as you can see, I got all of these big thorns. I used to think these were black locusts, but honestly I don't know now. I'm gonna have to identify them some other time. But this whole tree line was covered in them, and I wanted to save the fruit trees that happen to be in here that I noticed about 1.5 years ago. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start cutting them down off the stump so that I can get in here with the bushwhacker attachment. And then, yeah, and then what we're gonna do is on this side, we're gonna plant a few trees. We're probably gonna get some goomyberry and line up this hill, but this whole hillside will be covered in some type of berry or fruit tree. And then on the other side of the tree line, I'm gonna trim that back, and I'm gonna put in blackberry bushes all the way down. So, yeah, that's what we're gonna be working on today. So we're gonna get started, get the chainsaw going, and we're gonna start chopping this down. Before I go, I'm gonna get my eyeglasses on, my safety glasses, and then we'll get started. All right, so I basically got about halfway, but I didn't get to this side yet. It's starting to rain now. I'm really sweaty, and I don't want to be sweaty and getting cold. It's a good way to get really sick. It's a good way to get yourself sick. So I've already been there, done that. Don't want to do that again. Again, I'd like to thank all the people who subscribe to my channels. I just reached over 1,000 subscribers, and that was kind of fun for me to see that, and I was really happy about it. So don't forget also down below to comment on what you think I should be growing in my food forest here, or even in my greenhouse. If you have suggestions on what I'm missing, or what you think that maybe would be a good addition to this food forest, by all means, shoot it up down there. I love having conversations about it, and I like to learn new stuff. So this is a short video this week. We're gonna get back out there and clean up that biochar probably next week and get it into the composter. And we'll probably come back here. This is gonna be a few days work. We got a week off all the way through the Christmas holidays and then some, so I have about 10 days off. I'm gonna try and get some work done. So don't forget to hit that thumbs up down there. Don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends. And we'll see you next week, and we'll make another video, and hope I got some more progress done. And we'll see you then. So be safe until then, okay? See you later.